All right, sorry about that. I was supposed to pause it and then keep recording, but like I said, I'm terrible at this virtual learning and teaching thing, so there's my first mistake. All right, so let's try number 2 about Ryan. Let's see if you got it correct. If you didn't get a chance to do this one yet, pause it now, and I promise I won't exit out, and I'll wait for you. When you're ready, dive right in. All right. So it says here, Ryan made a CD of his favorite songs. Now, I don't know if you remember what a CD is. You might be too young, but if you're old like me, it's this big silver, flat, round thing, and you could play music off of. But I know nowadays you guys are young and it's a lot more efficient and you don't have anything you got to carry around. But anyways, Ryan made a CD of his favorite songs. There are 42 minutes of time total on this CD. And it says he records 14 songs. What's the average length of each song? So I'm just thinking in my head, if all 14 songs have to equal 42 minutes, then each song has got to be less than 42 minutes. So I need a smaller number. So the only 2 operations that will give me a smaller number are subtraction and division. So if every single song is about the same length, then I know that I'm going to be dividing 42 by 14. If I do that, I can either type in a calculator, I can show some long division. Each song is about 3 minutes in length. Now, does that make sense? 3 minutes per song, 14 of those songs, each being 3 minutes, 14 3 minutes plus 3 minutes plus 3 minutes plus 3 minutes 14 times, or I could have just done 14 times 3. That'll give me 42. I know I'm correct there. So my equation could be 42 divided by 14 equals, say, X on this one. Now, is there another way to do this? Could you have used one-step equations? You absolutely could have. You could have said, well, there's 14 songs. Each of them is about the same length, and there's a total of 42 minutes on the CD. Using one-step equation, you could divide both sides by 14, isolate that variable, and you'd get 3 minutes. And we talked about, is this reasonable? We said that 3 minutes per song times 14 songs is 42. So you'd write a quick sentence here how you understood that to be. All right, we got one more left. I'm going to ask you to pause it. This time I'm not going to end this video. I'm going to wait for you. Pause it, try the question about David, and when you're ready, unpause it. Go. All right, welcome back. We got one more question to do together, and then you're on your own. Remember, before we get off this, you guys have a quiz due on Friday, quiz.com. It's posted. It'll be posted every day this week. So feel free to go on any day this week and get started. All right, it says David saves $15 each week that he earns babysitting. After 8 weeks, how much money will he have saved? Draw a picture and write an equation to solve. All right, so 1 week, this is going to be my drawing because math teachers don't tend to be the best drawers. 1 week, he earned $15. Another week, he earned another $15. And then another week, he earned another $15, and so on and so forth. So every single week, he's going to make $15 more. So our number of dollars is going to what? It's going to get bigger or smaller? It's going to get bigger. So what we'd want to do is either use addition or multiplication. Either one is great. I could either add 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 and do it 8 times, or I can take the easy route and multiply it by 8. If I do that, I get $120 total, and that would be for 8 weeks. Now, if I needed an equation, I could go ahead and I could write 15 times 8 equals X. And is my answer reasonable? How did I check my work? Well, let's think about it. $120 total. If I divided it by 8 weeks, if I do the inverse, this is multiplication, so the inverse would be division. 120 total, divide it by 8 weeks, so every week they'll get the same. What would that be? Grab your calculators. What's 120 divided by 8? If it's 15, we are golden, and we are. So again, you take a second, write how you knew that that was a good check, and we're good. Now listen, we are done with our in-class part of your math learning today. While I've missed you guys, two good things have happened today. Number one, you didn't see my hair since I haven't gotten a haircut. And number two, no one said any really bad jokes about me, so I can live another day. Would you guys head over to page 19 now? You have questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. I will post the answers to questions 1, 2, 3, and 4 on page 19 tomorrow. Make sure you guys click on your assignment is complete when you are done, and that way I'll know you finished it. You guys have a wonderful Monday. Feel free to reach out on Remind or send me a message. I'll be on the computer all day waiting for some of your messages. Have an awesome day.